Hello YouTube, today I will teach you how to hack typeracer.com with just a few lines of Python code using Selenium. Okay, let's get started. First, I'll make a folder and put it inside Visual Studio Code. For this tutorial, I'll make it quick, so if you're a beginner, you can pause it or rewind it as many times you want. Furthermore, it's very basic, so don't worry. The code is also available under the description. Then we create a Python file. You can name it whatever you want. From Selenium, I need to import WebDriver wait, expected condition, and buy. We also need a temp module. Then using WebDriver, I get the path for my Chrome driver as well as typeracer.com and we run it. Okay, it's work. We need to click the start button to enter the race. So we use Selenium's explicit wait to wait until the button is clickable. In this case, I'll find the button by XPath. You can find it by ID, by class, by whatever you want. Now I'm going to inspect the web page to find the XPath for the input field. But first, I will create a main function. I called it autotyping. Inside, we will have another function to get the text for us, and I will return to that later. And again, we will use explicit wait to wait for the input field to be accessible by XPath. We iterate through each letter in the rage text, then use the send keys method to type them into the typing area. We also need to delay between each input to adjust the typing speed. Now I'm going to inspect the web page again to find the XPath for the text element. I see that the text is broken up into 3 spans. The first span is for the first letter of the first word. The second span is for the rest of the first word. The third span is for the rest of the paragraph. Now I will create the getText function with the driver as an argument. I'll use explicit wait to wait until all the spans are located, and we'll find them by XPath. Then I'll create the list of all the text content in these spans, as well as create an empty string. If there are 3 spans, I want to combine their contexts into a single string. I also consider the case where there's only 2 spans. Finally, our function will return the raised text. Let's try running it. typeracer will ask for verification if you're typing faster than 100 words per minute. So for the sake of this test, I will just limit it to 90 words per minute. You can go faster if you want. You can just have to adjust the delay variable. We could stop here. However, it would be boring if our program runs only once, and every time you want to run it, you have to quit the browser and execute the program over again. Therefore, I want to teach you how to carry on with the next race using while loop. This will allows you to run the program until the browser is closed. Time.sleep allows you to admire your result 5 seconds before entering the next race. We again wait for the button to be clickable and then we click in order to enter the next race. Before running our main autotyping function again, I want to wait another 5 seconds to click any pop-up box that appears on the screen. I'm gonna speed up this part a little bit. It waits 5 seconds before pressing the button. If there is pop-up like this, you have to click it yourself. Let's change the delay variable to go full speed. .400 words per minute. Thank you for watching.